After unboxing the Shark Ion W1 cord-free handheld vacuum, you'll need to fully charge the Ion Charge battery. To do so, plug the Ion charging dock and place the handheld vacuum in the dock. You'll know the unit is charging when the power button LED light slowly pulses blue. When the Shark Ion W1 is fully charged, the LED light will glow a solid blue. The LED light indicates the status of the handheld vacuum. If the light is quickly flashing blue, the battery needs to be charged. Simply place the handheld vacuum on the Ion charging dock. If the light repeats a pattern of 2 blue flashes and a pause, then your handheld vacuum has a clog or blockage. Turn the power off, remove clogged debris, and then turn power back on. To empty the dust cup, hold the handheld vacuum over the trash. Press the release button to empty the debris with a single touch. Close the dust cup and return to cleaning or charging.
This is the A907 Cord Zero Stick Vacuum by LG. So I'd like to tell you guys, when I unboxed this vacuum, I could tell just by looking at all the parts how well made it is. It comes with so many attachments, one of them being this wood floor attachment. This one is called Power Punch. So this like vibrates really quickly and dislodges dust mites from mattresses and pillows and stuff like that. That sounds really cool to me.
One of my favorite things about this thing is that it has a super long battery life. There are 2 batteries that each hold a 40-minute charge. So total, this vacuum can run for 80 minutes.
But both batteries are able to charge together on the charging port. So one battery actually goes on the top here, the other one goes in the actual compartment for the charging base.
So there's 3 different ways that you can store this vacuum. You can store it on the stand, just like this. You can also detach this top part and actually mount it onto your wall, which is cool.
One thing that is key is the adjustable pole length. The adjustable pole length allows for more flexibility with accommodation to your height. There's also a one-touch control, so you can turn the vacuum on and off with just the touch of a thumb.
I also love that this has washable cyclones and filters, because that just seems like really efficient.
It comes with 2 filters, and then you literally wash them and reuse them.
I could just rinse it out and it's perfectly clean and ready to go for the next clean.
This vacuum is so pretty.